Zdravo na site! Hello everyone and welcome back to my Macedonian language channel. I'm Ali and this is episode 13. Today we are going to learn how to tell the time in Macedonian, one of the most useful skills when traveling, studying or just chatting with friends. So let's dive into it. When you want to ask about the time in Macedonia, you would say Koliko je časot? What time is it? When someone asks you what time is it, in Macedonian you would reply Сега е еден часот, which means it is 1 o'clock. Сега е 2 часот, it is 2 o'clock. Сега е 5 часот, it is 5 o'clock. When the time is half and a quarters, then you would reply еден и пол, half past 1. Пет и пол часот, it's 5:30. 4 и 15. It's 4:15. 9 без 15. Quarter to 9. And now it's your turn. Try answering these questions. How do you say it's 3 o'clock? How do you ask what time is it? And how would you say it's 7:30? And I will give you the answer at the end of this video. Some fun facts about the time in Macedonia. In Macedonia, daily life often follows a slower rhythm. Lunch is the biggest meal of the day and usually happens around 2 p.m. Coffee with friends is also a cultural ritual. People can spend hours in a coffee just chatting. So, when someone asks you koliko je časot, it's often about more than time. It's about planning the next coffee or meal together. The answer of the previous challenge are Сега е 3 часот. Колко е часот? 7 и пол часот. Thank you very much for watching. Ви благодарам много што гледавте. Today you learn how to ask and tell the time in Macedonian. In the next episode, we'll dive into weather expressions so you can say if it is sunny, rainy, or snowy in Macedonian. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this lesson. Се гледаме! Чао!